If you have like a wonky hairline or you're thinning in some areas or anything like that, listen to me because this is what my hairline used to look like and this is what my hairline looks like now. It is all thanks to this icon right here, Holy Roots Pre-Wash Hair Oil by Fable in Maine. I've been using it once a week for the last 8 months and I'm about to wash my hair, so I'm gonna show you guys how I use it right now. Scalp stimulation is super important, so I always start with a comb. I comb my scalp for about 5 minutes. After I brush my scalp for about 5 minutes, I go in with the oil. Because I'm looking to target some specific sparse areas in my scalp, I'm gonna go on and apply the oil directly to those areas. Then you go in and you just massage your scalp as much as you possibly can. Just massage it like crazy. And then you're gonna wanna put it in like a fairly loose protective style. I usually go with a claw clip. I'll leave it on for a couple hours, I'll wash it off, and then this is my hair afterwards. It's so stunning. This oil has truly transformed my hairline. I recommend it to everybody. It's such a holy grail for me. I hope you love it as much as I do.